Does that look familiar to you? Kitchen cabinets. It is really dirty from all kind of oil opening and closing. We're going to show you how to clean this today. Especially the rehab are buying houses and try to clean the kitchen. It is so easy to do that. This is what we're going to use for cleaning. Murphy oil soap. It is very good and effective. And we're going to use a scrubber, a Scotch-Brite or any other kind. And that one heavy duty and gentle on the other side. You can use this one if the cabinet is very dirty, but avoid it because it's very rough and can scratch the wood. So we're going to use this today. And you need a rag or a towel and a toothbrush to get into all kind of nook and crannies here like that. And we're gonna use, after cleaning and drying, we're gonna use deck cream, Parker and Bailey kitchen cabinet cream. We also need basin of water. So let's start. We're gonna get the scrubber wet like that, and then we're gonna put some Murphy oil on it. And then we start using it right away on the cabinets. We go with the grain. So this you go sideways, this you go up and down. I'm going to do just this part to show you the difference. Keep scrubbing until you see the dirt is gone. And in this part, if there's a lot of dirt, use the toothbrush like I showed you. But right now, we're gonna just use the scrubber. I'm gonna do just a small part to show you, and then you can enjoy your time and do the rest of the cabinets. Done with this, you can use the brush to clean over here. Now we're done with this. We dry it. To see the difference. What do you think? Looks clean? If it does not look clean to you, you can repeat a couple of times. Now after we're done cleaning, we get a wet towel and we wipe all the soap from there like that. And then I noticed that after it dry, it looks like it needed something. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna condition the wood. You're gonna condition that wood with the cream that we were talking about earlier. So we get another dry towel and dry that, and we wait a couple of minutes till the wood is dried, and then we can apply the cream. I'll be back in a couple of minutes till it dry. Now after the cabinet door dried, we see it looks dull, it looks like missing something. So we're gonna condition it with the cream, and we use we're gonna use the Parker and Bailey kitchen cabinet cream, and we're gonna use a microfiber towel for polishing and dusting, like these towels. And we're gonna show you what is gonna happen to the wood after that. So I'm gonna apply a couple of drops from the cream on the towel here to condition the cabinet door. And we're gonna come here and put it like that. And here you can see the difference already. And if you feel the wood needs more cream, go ahead and apply some more. And if you feel it needs to be dry first before you apply the second time, go ahead and do that. And you're gonna be very happy with the results. Now you remember how it looks before, and look at it now. It's totally different. I hope you enjoy doing your kitchen and clean it like that, and you enjoy it, and it's gonna last for a long time. Thank you for watching.